Remove the 5 screws on the side of the drum unit. Remove the side plate. There are 3 tabs on the bottom. Remove the other 5 screws on the other side of the unit. Now you have to remove the metal side panel. Reassembling this metal panel could be a pain. I suggest you, if possible, to remove only the screws on the drum of the color you need. For example, if you want to remove this drum, remove this screw. On the other side, remove the contact of the drum you need to remove. Then remove the other screw of the drum. Remove the corona wire assembly. Remove the bushing of the drum. Slightly bending the metal plate, remove the drum. Do not deform the metal plate. If not possible, remove all the 4 screws on the metal plate. Remove the drum bushings. The black one is the last on the right. Remove the metal plate. Remove the contact of the drum. Be careful not to lose the other contacts if you leave them in place. Remove the corona wire assembly. Remove the drum. Remember, the light may damage the drum, so don't let the drums too much time under the light. If you want to reuse the drum, clean it with isopropyl alcohol. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to a video on this topic. This foam roller is a transfer roller. You can clean it with a soft cloth, lightly dampened with water. Rotate the roller and clean it. Clean this transparent plastic rod too. Clean the grid of the corona wire. If dirty, you'll have white vertical lines on the printed page. Clean the corona wire with alcohol or ammonia. Insert the drum. Be careful, it's easy to damage the drum. Reinstall the corona wire assembly. On the other side, reinstall the screw and the metal contact. Now you have to reinstall the metal plate. I suggest you to insert the metal plate in its position. Then insert the tabs of the first drum unit. Insert the first screw. Then insert the tabs of the second drum unit and insert the second screw. Then the third drum unit and so on. Reinstall the bushings. Reinstall the plate. Insert the 3 tabs first. Reinsert the 5 screws. Reinstall the other plate. Reinstall the 5 screws. And the work is done.